Hello there, my name is Christine and welcome to Wannabe Hackers tutorial video. In this video, I will explain about cloud database. While cloud storage sounds like it has something to do with weather fronts and storm systems, it really refers to saving data to an offsite storage system maintained by a third party. Instead of storing information to your computer's hard drive or other local storage device, you save it to a remote database. The internet provides the connection between your computer and the database. Before we proceed into the topic, I will show you the outline of the video. What is cloud database and how it works, types of cloud database, its benefits, common use cases, challenges and its considerations. Cloud database is a database service built and accessed through a cloud platform. It implements the same functions as traditional database but with an added flexibility of cloud computing. It also enables enterprise users to host databases without buying dedicated hardware and can be offered as a service and managed by a provider. In terms of security, most cloud database providers encrypt data and provide other security measures. At its most basic level, a cloud storage system needs just one data server connected to the internet. A client sends copies of files over the internet to the data server, which then records the information. When the client wishes to retrieve the information, he or she accesses the data server through a web-based interface. The server then either sends the files back to the client or allows the client to access and manipulate the files on the server itself. There are 4 types of cloud database. Public cloud, available to the general public or large industry group and is owned by an organization selling cloud services. Community cloud, shared by several organizations and supports a specific community that has shared concerns. Private cloud, operated solely for an organization or company. Hybrid cloud, combination of 2 of the above. They remain unique entities but are bound together by standardized technologies. Benefits of cloud database. Improve security. You need to ensure your database has an updated kernel and other critical software, and you need to keep up with the newest digital threats. Reduce administrative burden. A cloud-hosted database doesn't eliminate a database administrator, but it can eliminate unnecessary features that typically consume much of a DBA's time and efforts. This allows a DBA to focus his or her time on more important issues. Scalability. It helps you adjust the operation upwards or downward as your IT requirements change. It can be done quickly, cheaply, and efficiently. Cloud databases are used when building software products that are cloud native, need to handle high-scale traffic, require large volume of data, and are distributed geographically. It is also used in real-time transaction processing, legacy database migration, Internet of Things, caching, analytics, mobile application development. Challenges. Security issues can be a big problem for companies when switching to cloud services. Cloud database is slower than traditional database when it comes to transferring data from cloud to computer. Transferring data through a company's database with heavy traffic might result to an increase in expenses. Cloud database services relies heavily on the internet. If a server is down, it will cause difficulties during emergencies. May face implications when switching database provider, as each provider implements different methods and techniques for storing data. Cloud database providers. Assess your ideal database requirements to choose the right provider who meets those requirements. Some of the best cloud databases are Amazon Web Services, Google Cloud SQL, Microsoft Azure, and etc. Database technology. You might be looking for an SQL-compatible offering in order to work with existing systems, process or skill sets, or be more interested in a NoSQL offering tailored to your system's need. Management system. You should consider fully managed database platforms that take over much of the management load for you and free your team up for more advanced projects. Cost model. Start small and ramp up as needed. Match your pricing model to your business model. Security. Most cloud database providers encrypt data and provide other security measures. Organizations should research their options. Extras. SQL-compatible connectors, integrated charts and graphs, and tools for building data-driven workflows with trigger and serverless computing and more. Companies have started relying on the cloud computing for several reasons, and a trend has started by adopting cloud computing services for better and faster availability of information rather than setting up an individual data center for each organization or the company. The organizations always look for the ways that is effective and is cost-saving. The cloud database has evolved a new dimension database as a service. There are advantages and disadvantages as well. However, the adoption of the cloud database has proven that the advantages are more than the disadvantages. The cloud database services have offered many benefits and different companies are in the race. The organization chooses the one that suits its requirement. This video was presented by Iman, Nisa, Qunoot and Siti. Thank you for watching.